name is Kelly Hicks and welcome to my log cabin video. I'm not going to spend a lot of time on this. I've got a lot of log cabin videos. It's a 39ND. 2019 model, 39ND. Suggested list is 73 and some change. And she is a beauty. It's one of my favorite trailers that I've ever had or ever been in. I may just have to keep this one for myself. Check this loft out. Such a nice big loft. Wouldn't your kids love to play up there? Smells good in here. Cedar inside and out. Here's our kitchen. Nice big kitchen. I got my fisheye lens cooking so we can look in the bathroom. Got a house type rear entry door. Bedroom, queen bed, ceiling fan, no loft overhead, so you won't hear the rug rats stomping around when you're trying to sleep. Okay, so let's check out the bedroom. Should have enough light in here for my GoPro. You've got a linen closet, tub and shower surround, and there is the vanity and sink, medicine cabinet. I apologize, I see that you can't see that too well. Anyhow, it's a nice bathroom. Got plenty of videos and pictures of this trailer. So all we're going to do is say thanks for watching my video, and I hope you have a great day. This is a 2019 Forest River Cabin 39ND. 2019 Quail Ridge, bestseller of all time, the 39 FLML. This is tan with the tan window and door package, and she's a beauty. We're gonna go on in and check her out, see what makes this thing a bestseller of all time. Well, price is one thing. It's only $62,000. You've got a nice big open front room. Everything in these always stays in them. Sleeper sofa, LED lights, nice window treatments and valances. This is the maple, vintage maple interior, fireplace, hutch, bench seat, stainless appliance, 5-burner range, convection microwave, stainless sink. There's the bank of cabinets. Got your 56,000 BTU furnace. House type rear entry door. Got my fisheye lens going. Apologize if you don't like the fisheye, but that's really the only way to film these in the close quarters. The rear loft measures 5 foot. Got a nice air conditioner, auxiliary air, entertainment center. A lot of people convert them into sewing room, storage room, bedroom, you name it. You can do whatever you want to with it. Center loft makes for a nice sleeping area also. So heading back down the stairs and out the front, beautiful plank linoleum throughout. Let's see if we can get a view of the bathroom. Oh, this one's nice. It's got the optional neo-angle shower Hopefully I can get you in there. Oh yeah, you can see it. Nice. Got the big linen closet here. You've got the headpan for your 7-foot tall people that need the extra headroom. There is your medicine cabinet, sink, vanity, and the all-important commode. Alrighty. That pretty well sums her up. This is a great trailer from Kelly Hicks Construction, and it is a 2019 Quail Ridge 39 FLML. Thanks for watching. Hope you have a great day. This is one of my oldest trailers. We had it on sale. It's my only new 2017, and it's sold. We sold it today. So if you come here and it's still here, that will mean the sale fell through, but it's not going to. It's got heritage blue siding, white windows, white trim. Suggested retail was almost $64,000. Heading on in here, you've got everything in it stays in it. 2 sleeper sofas, nice rocker recliner, fireplace, RCA home entertainment system, hutch. It's a double loft. You've got stainless steel appliances, 5-burner range, convection microwave, stainless sink, 56,000 BTU furnace, house type rear entry door, linoleum on the entire main floor, carpet only allowed in the master bedroom. Heading upstairs to take a quick look at the loft. Here's what you got. I love this trailer. This is the 40 MLFD Kelly style. It's the only place you can get them. How's that loft, man? It's got a big one. Okay. Heading on down. We're going to take a look at the bathroom. I got the fisheye lens on, hoping we can see what's in here. It's pretty dark, so it's hard to see. Oh yeah. It's not too bad when I'm not blocking the light. You got a toilet. You've got a tub and shower with the linen closet behind it. Over here you have a mirrored vanity. Storage in there. Sink. Storage underneath. Okay. That's it for my down and dirty tour of the Quail Ridge 40 MLFD Kelly style. Hope you all have a great day. Hey, and welcome to Kelly Hicks Construction, where we're filming all of our famous trailers. We only carry the best sellers. This one happens to be a 2019 Quail Ridge 39 CBDL. She is clay with white windows and white trim, white shutters. This one lists for about $59,000. It's a really cool trailer. Linoleum throughout, sleeper sofa, everything in them stays in them. It's wired for surround sound, ceiling fan overhead, one of the biggest lofts in the industry. Lots and lots of cabinets, fireplace, recliner, storage under the dining room seats, Big old kitchen, black appliances, 30-inch range, 30-inch microwave, stainless sink, lots of storage for everything. We're going to be able to see in the bathroom here. It's got one option I like, shower only, neo-angle shower with the linen closet beside it. Medicine cabinet, vanity sink, storage underneath, and the all-important commode. There is storage under the stairs. We're going to head for the master bedroom, 56,000 BTU furnace. And this one happens to have the optional door in the master bedroom. You can get this with or without that door. It's got the big old Quail Ridge wardrobe, 8 drawers and 4 doors. It's called the His and Hers. It's wired for a flat screen on the wall if you like to watch TV from bed. Let's go have a quick look at the upstairs, and that'll be the end of my quick down and dirty tour of the 2017 Quail Ridge 39 CBDL. There you go. Okay, we'll head back down the stairs, take one last look maybe around the kitchen. Dining room, cabinetry. Again, thanks for looking. Video by Kelly Hicks Construction Incorporated. Have a great day. Okay, here's another one of our favorite trailers. This is 11804, and it's a Quail Ridge 39 AKFFL. It's gray with white trim and white windows. I'm going to give you the 1-minute tour. MSRP is just over $63,000. Stainless appliances. It's got a Lazy Susan, fireplace, sectional sofa, extended dormer, big loft, big loft, entertainment center upstairs for the kids, plank linoleum throughout, got a nice bedroom, house type rear entry door, nice big bedroom, Quail Ridge His and Hers wardrobe, entry closet, place to store your vacuum or broom, coat. Gonna go into the bathroom here. That is the glass doors for the shower. So just imagine this with glass doors, window to let any foul air out and the fresh air in. Nice toilet. Really nice trailer. We have a hall pantry, adjustable shelving, Lazy Susan in the kitchen, lots of drawers to pack all your stuff away, 5-burner range, convection microwave, got some pendant lights, a ceiling fan. Just overall a nice trailer. This is a Quail Ridge 39 AKFFL. Thanks for looking.
Life changes, just open the door. One thing's certain, I'll always be yours. Is this the end? But then I get
my video. This is one of my favorite trailers over time. It's the Summit 40 TLFD. Double loft front end. Blue with white shutters and white trim. This is a CKCL. I didn't have a sticker in the window. Anyhow, as you can see, it's a half loft. No step down into the master. House type rear entry door. 56,000 BTU furnace. Nice big master bedroom, queen bed, mirrored closets. Let's see if we can look at the bathroom. I got my fisheye lens on. That's really the only way you get to look at the bathrooms in these. So anybody doesn't like fisheye, that's why we're filming in fisheye. Because otherwise, you don't get to see the shower tub, the linen closet, or the house toilet. Okay. Well, we're going to keep these walkthroughs short and sweet. And this is a Summit 40 CKCL. Center kitchen, rear loft. Nice looking trailer. Everything in it comes with it. Extended dormer, nice ceiling fan. That's my short, quick video of the 2019 Summit 40 CKCL.
Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. Life lessons come one in.
Hey, this is a 2019 Summit double loft front den. I've sold dozens of these over the years, and it's one of my very best sellers. Tried and true. They sleep about 20 people if you can pack them all in here. MSRP is about $56,000. It's got 2 sleeper sofas, guest closet, plank wood linoleum throughout the entire trailer. It's got your ceiling fan in the den, ceiling fan in the living room, bench seating with storage underneath. Just a beautiful trailer. Double loft. Step down into the master, which is going to give you 5-foot height in the rear loft, about 4-foot height in the center loft. A nice coat closet / pantry. House type rear entry door. Summit closet. Storage under the steps. Let's go up. Front loft. Rear loft. Back down the steps. Let's check out the bathroom. Hopefully we get enough light in here to actually see something. I don't know. It's pretty marginal. Anyhow, it's got a tub and shower surround. Yeah, it's a little dark in here. You've got the linen closet behind the tub. And over here, you have mirrored vanity sink with storage underneath, and we won't dwell on that because you can't see it anyway. Anyhow, this is one of my best sellers of all time. (2019) Summit 40 TLFD. Thanks for watching. 2019 Summit 2-bedroom. It's a double loft, house type rear entry door. It's tan or sandalwood with brown shutters and white trim. List for about $58,000. Pretty nice trailer. It's got a bedroom with doors that close in the front, or you can toss the bed out and make it be a den. Nice big kitchen, table and 4 chairs. Double loft. So we've got the shorter loft in the front, the taller loft in the rear, stairs leading up. House type rear entry door. Summit wardrobe, mirrored wardrobe, queen bed. There's 6 drawers in here and storage underneath the stairs. Let's see if we can get any view at all of the bathroom. It's gonna be dark. Well, it's not too bad. Let's see how it shows up. There's a mirrored vanity, sink, tub shower with a shower curtain. You've got the linen closet behind the shower and the all-important commode. Okay. 30-inch range, microwave, range hood, ceiling fan, probably seating for 5 or 6 depending on how big your kids are. Well, that's my quick view of the Summit double loft 2-bedroom. Thanks for watching.